dear students, I welcome you all in Sangli Shikshan Sanstha's YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Standard 6th, Subject Science, Lesson number 1, Natural Resources, Air, Water and Land. Have you ever wondered why Earth is only planet in a solar system that supports life? It is ideal distance from Sun where life form can survive. But this life form needs some resources, and these life forms who need the resources for survive, they are called natural resources. Let us study more about the natural resources. As you know, Earth is the only planet in a solar system where life exists. Life exists here because of the natural resources. So there are three important natural resources which are air, water and land. Without this, we cannot exist. We can say that air, water and land are the factors important for sustaining the life world on the earth and fulfilling the basic needs. They are called natural resources. All the things on earth are associated with air, water and land. Air, water and land are called earth atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere respectively. These three spheres togetherly called as biosphere. The surface of the earth comprises water and land. Of these, water occupies 71% part and 29% land exists on Earth's surface. Let us discuss these natural resources in detail. First one, air. Look at this picture. This is a diagram of Earth atmosphere. The atmosphere is a layer of air that surrounds the Earth. That is troposphere, ozone layer, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. Troposphere contains about 80% of total mass of the gases in air. Stratosphere contains 19% of total mass of gases in air. Further, mesosphere and ionosphere, the proportion of mass of gases goes on decreasing. Gases are not found in the exosphere and beyond. The amount of the gases in the air is the greatest near to the surface and decreasing as we go higher and higher for the surface. That is, air become rare in higher altitudes. The air in atmosphere around the earth contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, 6 inert gases, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor and dust particles. Look at this picture. This diagram shows proportion of the various gases in air. By volume, nitrogen is 78% and oxygen is about 21%. Together these two gases make 99% volume of the atmosphere and rest 0.9% argon, 0.07% other constituents of air and 0.03% carbon dioxide exist. Let us see some uses of air in the gases. First one is a nitrogen. Nitrogen helps to living things to build necessary protein. It is useful in the production of ammonia and it is used in airtight packaging of foodstuffs. Oxygen. It is necessary for respiration of living things and for combustion. Next one is a carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguisher. Plant used it for the producing their food. Argon is used in electric bulb. Helium is used in obtaining the low temperature and also for generating the lift in airship. Neon is used in decorative lights and for street lighting. Krypton is used in fluorescent tubes. Xenon is used in flash photography. Always remember that the atmosphere is a very important filter. It allows the light and heat from the sun to reach the earth, which is necessary for life. But to prevent the harmful elements from reaching this earth. It is the atmosphere that fog, cloud, snow and rain are produced. Now we will discuss about the air pollution. You walking on a road, the vehicle on the road passing by, they release a smoke while passing you. Certainly you feel like difficult to breathe. Why it is so? Let us know reason behind it. Large scale of emission of smoke through the different agencies are directly mixes with the atmosphere, disturbing the balance between the constituents of air. This is called as air pollution. What are the harmful gases released in air? Answer is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide and soot. The substance causes the air pollution are called pollutants. Mainly air pollutants are the gas discharged from industries and vehicles. Air pollution also creates the global warming problem such as ozone depletion by the gas like chlorofluorocarbon and global warming like carbon dioxide. Air pollution can be prevented by the taking simple steps like using public transport than their own vehicle, reducing the use of the wood in daily life, planting more trees around us and sharing an air conditioner with the others. Now next point is ozone layer is a protective shell. What is ozone layer? Have you ever wondered why cricketers paint their faces white and why your mother insists you to put on sunscreen lotion before stepping out every summer? The answer is UV rays. The ultraviolet rays coming from a sun are very harmful for the living things. The ozone gas absorbs these rays and as a result, life on Earth is protected. The ozone layer is destroy the chemical gases like chlorofluorocarbon and carbon tetrachloride, which is released by the air conditioner and refrigerator with the air. 16 September it is celebrated as Ozone Protection Day all over the world to make everyone aware about the importance of the ozone. Now we will discuss about the next natural resources, that is water. In nature, water occurs in 3 states. Water does not have color, taste and odor. Mainly substances readily dissolved in water. Therefore, water is a universal solvent. The blood of animals and sap of the plant contains very high proportion of water. No living things can survive without water. Therefore, it is said that water is life. It is almost impossible for us to spend an even single day without water. We need to drink 3 to 4 liter water every day that all our bodily function runs smoothly. We cannot use all the water on earth because seawater is salty, some water in a frozen state and very small quantity of water is available for drinking. So it is our responsibility that water should be used by sparingly. Reuse of water whenever it is possible. We get water from natural resources such as streams, rivers, ponds, springs and lakes. Man also digs well and bore wells to lift groundwater. Water apart from this, man has also constructed dams on a river. Due to the uncontrolled use of water for increasing the population, industries and farming, it is now a short supply of water and water scarcity has become serious problem. Last but not least, third natural resource is the land. Land is irregular surface with the various forms like mountains, desert, valleys, etc. Lithosphere plays an important role in life. It gives forest, land for agriculture, land for settlements. It is also the treasure of various minerals. Let's see the layer of soil. The topmost layer formed by the decomposition of remaining plants and animals. This layer is called as humus. It is usually found in a dense forest. Humus is a layer formed by the soil due to decomposition of dead plants and animals by microbes. Humus supplies the nutrients to the soil and also help the holding water in the soil. The proportion of humus in the upper layer, it is good fertile soil, is about 33 to 50%. The land below this is full of sand and small stones, worms and insects. Soil and pieces of bedrocks are formed below this layer of land. The soil is immature. Further below this layer, the proportion of soil decreasing and that is rock increasing. This is the layer of bedrock. The main minerals and in the soil are delivered from this rock. That is why the soil is different, region is different. The color and texture of soil is both determined by the bedrock. Let's see the process of soil formation. How does the soil form? It is very slow and continuous process. The soil on the land is formed by natural process. Soil is formed by the process of weathering, during which rocks break down from the very small soil particles. This breaking down of rock occur over the period of millions of years. Weathering can be physical, chemical and biological. The bedrocks break due to the effects of heat, cold, water, wind and rain. Microbes, insects, root of trees also help in this process. Soil can get destroyed in a short period due to the floods, storms and human activities such as mining. That is why it is necessary to conserve soil and prevent the erosion of a land. The best remedy for this is to increase the green cover on the land. Of land is reduced if grass, trees and bushes are grown on it. Here we completed important and detailed study of all three natural resources. The proportion of these resources are actually put use are very small as compared to the whole earth. It is necessary for man to control his greed. In other words, we must their resources is judiciously with the awareness that they are meant for also other living things and not just for mankind. Today we have discussed about the natural resources, proportion of various gases in air, some uses of gases in air, importance of atmosphere, air pollution, importance of ozone layer, water, soil erosion, formation of soil and other things. Read all lessons carefully and solve the exercise given below. Subscribe the Sangli Shikshan Sanstha's YouTube channel and press bell icon for the more videos. Thank you.